Tired of paying $15 a year just to renew your domain name? Transfer it to Cloudflare and pay only the cost price, no markup. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it without any downtime. First, we'll add your domain to Cloudflare, then update the name servers at your current registrar. Let's get started. All right, head over to Cloudflare and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it's free to sign up, and it only takes a minute. Once you're in, look for the big blue Add button on the right side of the dashboard. Click that, and from the drop-down, choose Connect a Domain. A text box will pop up asking for your domain name. Type it in, make sure it's spelled correctly, and then click Continue. Now, Cloudflare is going to ask you what plan you want. For most people, the free plan is all you need. It gives you fast DNS, DDoS protection, and a whole lot more at no cost. That said, if you run an e-commerce store or need advanced performance features, the Pro plan is an option. But for this tutorial, we'll stick with the free one. Select it and click Continue. Here's where it gets important. Cloudflare will scan your domain and show you all of your existing DNS records. This is the map of your website and email. You want to make sure everything looks right. If you see a record that's old or wrong, you can delete it right here. If nothing looks broken, leave it as is. This is a step you don't want to rush through because getting it wrong could break your site. Take your time. When everything looks good, click Continue. Cloudflare will confirm your setup. And now, Cloudflare will give you two name servers. They'll look something like name.cloudflare.com. You're going to need these. So here's the switch. Log into your current domain registrar, wherever you bought the domain from, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Find the settings for your domain and look for name server settings. You'll see a list of your current name servers. Delete them one by one and replace them with the two name servers Cloudflare just gave you. Double check that you typed them correctly. Then save your changes. This next step is a waiting game. Those name server changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours to fully spread across the internet. Don't worry, your website will still work during this time. It's just a matter of the world learning to look at Cloudflare for your site's address. To check if it's done, go back to Cloudflare and click the Check Name Servers button. If it says they've been detected, you're good to go. Now for the actual transfer of your domain registration. Back in Cloudflare, look for the Transfer tab. Enter your domain name again and follow the prompts. Cloudflare will show you the cost. Remember, just the wholesale price, no markup. You'll receive an email at your registrar asking you to authorize the transfer. It might be called an authorization code or an EPP code. Provide that in Cloudflare when asked and confirm the transfer on your registrar side. Then you wait. The transfer usually takes about 5 to 7 days. During this time, Cloudflare will add a year to your domain's expiration date, so you're not losing anything. You're actually gaining. And that's it. You've moved your domain to Cloudflare, you're saving money, and your site is now running on some of the fastest DNS on the planet. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more walkthroughs. I'll see you in the next one.